Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may end up being. Today I have a Bizy Beauty custom box. I got this as a giveaway. I won the giveaway and I'm just super excited. Me and her have been chatting a little. She's an absolute sweetheart. We're essentially the same person. So this is just kind of just a little taste of what it would be. And I'm really excited because I opened it up because she wanted to make sure that everything came, as it should. So if you want to see what I ended up winning in this giveaway, then let's get into it. So me and her have talked a little bit, and we've kind of talked about maybe me getting, more boxes like this. So this is kind of just a little step, a little venture into seeing if this would be something that I would want to do. So let's get into this. This is a really pretty decently sized box here. Sorry, it has been a day at work, okay? It's been a long day. I did open it a little, but yeah, let's start digging through this. I can tell that there's a good amount of skincare bits in here. The sun is being my worst enemy. We're just gonna have to deal with it, this horrible lighting situation. It's a lot of fun, so maybe I'll scoot back a little. I'm gonna start with what I'm first seeing, which is this brush. Ooh, I was gonna make a comment about what that was like, but I'm not. This is a gorgeous brush. It's super pretty. See, the thing is, I have to test it out on my face in softness because there's these unearthly ones, and I know that I sat here doing this for a really long time because it was really soft. But this is not as soft, but it's really close. I really like it though. It's really pretty. I think this would be like a good blush, a good blendy brush. So there's that. We have these Pacifica glowing makeup removing wipes. My brain cannot say the glycolic, I think that's how you say it, word right now because I'm not functioning. But yeah, this looks really orange and vanilla. I don't know how the smell is going to work in my face, but we will see. Next, we have this LYS Beauty Lash Confidence Clean Mascara. It comes in a box like this. Ooh, that's a differently shaped mascara right there. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's cute. I'm excited to try this out at some point, but I don't feel like putting stuff on my face right now. I've had makeup on for the past like 4 days and my face cannot deal with it anymore. It's been a little bit over much. There are these two little stickers. They are these like little self-love club stickers. Might have to put those on my water bottle. We have this, I'm guessing this is like a lip gloss, lip balm type situation. Okay, so it spins. Ooh, it's like one of those like EOS ones. It's strawberry. It's super cute. My mom absolutely loves these, but I'm keeping it. Sorry, Aim. Next, we have this strengthening hair mask, this wild thing. Ooh, this is coconut. I'm really in my coconut era right now. I'm excited to use this because my hair after dyeing it has needed like a little bit. I need to keep up on it and like take better care of it, but I think this is gonna be nice. It strengthens, reduces breakage, deeply conditions, it's junk free, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. This is from the Main Club. I'm excited for that. There's a bunch of good stuff in here so far. Look at this. There's still a good amount left in here, you guys. Also, don't worry about my room. My room is a mess and I need to get it and clean it. I'm having issues. And my issues are laziness. I have not recovered since Hawaii at all. So there's that. Next is this Moira Pomegranate Boost Toner Mist. Oh my god. I love toner. I have 3 of them. I'm excited. Restoring and balancing. It's clean beauty. Do I need to shake it? That feels nice. It smells really nice though. A nice little spray. My also favorite spray, like right at this moment, is the mist thing one from Run Beauty, because it's just, you know, gorgeous. The next we have this Candy Floss body mist. Is that what the smell is? The Candy Floss? I don't know. What are we thinking the smell is? Oh, it is candy. It's cotton candy. That used to be my, cotton candy used to be my perfume scent, like, all throughout middle school. Like, that was my thing. Now it's vanilla. I want to smell like a freaking bakery, you know? I want to smell delicious. Or coconut. Those are my two things. Next, we have this Jelly Much eyeshadow from Mafic. Is that what it is? We'll open it. That's freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Let's swatch that. Ooh. Yeah. That's gonna be like a highlight. I'm gonna be putting that like all over my face, just an FYI. Like that's Next we have this Hemp's pink pomelo and Himalayan sea salts. What is this? Body moisturizer. So like some lotion. I needed this. I think this is what my friend actually recommended to me when I was down in Hawaii and I got my whole body burnt. It smells really nice. My mom absolutely loves like that's going to my mom because she loves lotion. Next we have this Lottie London Plumped AF Sheer Plumping Gloss in Batty Pink. Do we have any other lip products before I go into that? Here. We're going to go into the other one before we get into that. This is the Pink Hibiscus Tinted Lip Tubes from Woolsey's. Like that. We're doing this and then we're going to put that one on. Oh, it's tinted. Okay, please don't get offended by this by anybody else, but you know how like some old people things and old people have like a smell? That's what that's like. So I don't know if I like that. Okay, now we are finally moving on to the Lottie London one, the Plumped AF one in a Batty Pink. It smells nice. It looks nice. I'm feeling the burn now. I thought I got on my tongue. The worst thing ever is when you get a plumper on your tongue and then you're just like dying. This is the Rude Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I've been using the Beauty Bay one. The Beauty Bay one is actually like one of my like all-time favorite ones because I'm on like my 5th one. But this is what this looks like. We're gonna open it up. Ooh, see, it's so cute. It smells nice and it's blue. I'm excited to use that. I love a good melting makeup balm type stuff. It's so good. Next we are moving on to this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I'm super excited for this. This is a brand I've always wanted to try. I'm pretty sure, aren't they like expensive? Isn't Laneige expensive? I don't know. I'm gonna bring this over to the boyfriends and try it out. But yeah, I'm excited for that. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Next we have this Rude Cosmetics eyebrow pen in Outrageous. I think that's what it is, or it's not outrageous, whatever it is, we'll figure it out. But this is the box and this is the pencil right here, the pen. So it comes with a spoolie and then ooh, that's a rather, it's not really coming out. There it is. There it is. That's a rather kind of accurate eyebrow matching shade. So we'll see. I'm excited to use that though. I've been trying to not just use the same pomade that I've been using. Next we have these Grace and Stella Restoring Eye Masks. It looks like this. I used some, like, my first, like, eye mask down in Hawaii, and I don't know how I, like, felt about it. So we'll see. But these are for fatigued under eyes. I've never tried this brand. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm excited to use this. Now we are moving on to the bigger things. This is JCat Beauty, a baked highlighter. So that's that. Let me open it. So this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of those Milani ones, the rose blushes and whatnot. I'm gonna swatch it. So that, where is it? Right there is this baked highlighter. I think that's super pretty. I'm excited to try like a bunch of new things out. Next we have this eyeshadow palette. It looks a lot like the Rhode ones. Not the Rhode. Sorry. It looks a lot like the Rare Beauty ones. Like literally a lot like the Rare Beauty ones. But that is what this looks like. I think that is super gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Those are some basic, easy peasy swatches of this. I think it's super cute. I think it's something my mom would absolutely love though, because she loves like these like nude tones right here. But I think I'm gonna keep it because I want to try it out and all that kinds of fun stuff. But this is from Hecky Beauty. So this place right here. And last but not least, we have whatever this palette is right here. This is the Free to Roam from Mafic. Ooh, that's a cute little packaging, but it's also neutral. But I don't know if I'll ever use this because I want to keep the imprint of the cat right there. That's the most important part, is the cat right there. But this is a cute little packaging. My goodness. If you know anything about me, I'm not really a neutrals person, so this might just be one that just sits there. But look at the kitty. I'm not gonna touch it. I don't want to ruin the kitty. But it seems like the quality is rather good. So maybe I will use it. We just won't use the cat shade because I want to get the cat. This is a lot of cute, good stuff. Thank you, staff. I think I might actually end up like trying out one of the boxes for this because I think this is like just a bunch of good stuff. So again, thank you, staff, for choosing me as the giveaway winner. I totally appreciate it, and I love all these little things. I'm gonna get a good amount of use out of a lot of this stuff. So again, thank you so much, Steph. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Go follow Steph over on Instagram. I'll have her linked down below. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. I understand that you maybe don't understand it, and I understand that you do not like it, but it is 2024. Pull your head out of your ass. Do better, because it pays nothing to be a decent, accepting person. Just saying. And remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting enough water, enough food, enough nutrients, to be having those self-care days. I know I'm going to. Just remember to be doing stuff for you and not just being such a people pleaser, okay? Don't be so far up other people's asses. A lot of people in this world don't give a shit about anybody else but themselves. And, you know, okay, anyways. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.